Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to share a Google Drive file with anyone. First we need to open Google Drive, then click on the file that you want to share to someone. I'm gonna go with this one, then click on those three dots, share, and now add the person that you want. Thanks for watching, I hope I helped you. Also, if you want to manage your access later, click on manage access, and here you'll be able to change everything. Thanks for watching, I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.